Hi my loves, in today's reading we will going to have general reading with message from spirits. So dito sisilipin natin kung ano ba yung mga upcoming blessings sa iyong buhay, kagaya ng love life, career, or money. Before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform like IG account, and if you feel resonated with my energy, meron po tayong available na crafts na available po sa ating Shopee shop. Ayan, meron tayong mga ganitong klaseng authentic gemstones. Set na po siya with full drilled na Nazar Evil Eye. Ayan. If you feel resonated, my loves, nandyan lang ang link sa ating bio. So, let's see the energy first. Tingnan muna natin ang iyong energy. Ang energy ng ating collectives. Okay, so right now my loves, you are into, sabihin natin, growth. Merong growth or merong pagbabago spiritually, more on spiritually. So my loves, most of you meron din my loves na masasabi nating mga signs and synchronicities, may mga nararamdaman. So tama ang kung ano may iniisip mo right now, tama ang nasa isip mo because you are guided here. Pag lumilitaw to, ito is symbolism ng ating ancestors, ng ating spirit guides, yung butterfly, yung moth natin dito, and the tree. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, kung ano yung nasa instinct mo, kung ano yung na-feel mo, my loves, yun yung sign na gustong iparating sa'yo ni spirits. And, okay, most of our collectives right now ay masasabi natin into sadness, into pain. That's why eto, my loves, spirits are telling you that they are beside you, my loves. And kung ano man yung sadness, pain na yan, I feel na most of you, my collectives, ay may pinagdadaanan na losses. So, pwedeng may nawala, may nabago. Kasi dito, my loves, so look, may nabago, may nawala, na parang hirap na hirap kang tanggapin yun. Pero spirits are telling you they are here, and iyan ay part ng iyong growth. Okay? So, they are reminding you na hindi yan, sabihin nating permanent. Yan, yung changes na yan is kinakailangan for your growth. And ayan, my loves, I hear na, eto, the cycle is over. So, kumbaga, merong new cycle na paparating dito, my loves, and I hear na na-disappoint ka for something na ipinramis sa'yo. Pwedeng iyan na ay true love. Pwede ding sabihin natin na-dismaya ka sa iyong family member. Pwedeng friendship, my loves. Pero ito, my loves, right now you are sad about this, na sa tingin mo is malaking kawalan sa buhay mo right now. Tinatanong mo bakit kailangan pang mangyari, because the cycle is ending here. And yun nga, kagaya nandito, my loves, growth. So may new beginning na paparating. So kailangan, my loves, ihanda mo ang sarili mo. Hindi ka basta nandyan lang sa sadness. Hindi yan parusa sa'yo, my loves. Iyan ay kumbaga part ng yung cycle and growth. Okay? Part ng yung cycle and growth, my loves. So, kung may mawawala, may papalit. Pero dito, my loves, sobrang sad mo dito. Yung energy mo, my loves, is kumbaga parang pilit na ipinaparamdam sa'yo ni spirits. Pero sabihin natin na you are in pain. Kaya dito, sa reading na to, nagpaparamdam ulit si spirits para sabihin natin maramdaman mo or maging attentive ka sa mga signs or synchronicities na ipinaparating nila sa'yo. Okay, let's see more confirmation from our tarot cards. So, my loves, dito, most of this sadness and pain nag-cause ng pwedeng betrayal. Pero yung cycles na yun, my loves, meron ditong sabihin nating may beginning. Kung hindi man yan, kung matagal na yan nawala at hanggang ngayon is para nagiging sad ka, may paparating, my loves. May paparating din na offering because of the ring. Okay, so nahulog natin to. Oh, meron niyang paparating na lots of choices, my loves. So, I heard na naka-stick ka sa iisang sabihin natin, pwedeng love, pwedeng friendship, circle, pero spirits are telling you na napakarami mong option. So, I also hear na dream come true. Nandito, my love, sa ating card. So, with 7 of Cups, napakarami mong options, my loves. You have to use your own discernment or sabihin natin intuition, kasi sa sobrang dami nito nawawalan ka ng pwede ka mawala ng focus, or masasabi natin na hindi mo nakikita yung dami ng option na meron ka, naka-stick ka lang dito sa sadness and pain na kumbaga na nawala sa'yo, pero napakadami mong option. Spirits are telling you na hindi mo kailangan mag-procrastinate dahil dito sa sadness and pain na to, dahil napakadaming pwedeng sabihin natin, ang dami mong blessings, ang dami mong dapat makitang blessings. Okay? Yes, strength, my loves. Spirits are telling you na you have to be brave, you have to encourage yourself to have inner strength, my love, bravery, confidence with the strength card, my loves. Kaya mo yan. Kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo right now, spirits are telling you na kayanin mo yan, or kung hindi mo man nakikita sa sarili mo kakayanin mo, my loves, you are overcoming these obstacles. So, kumbaga, have focus. I also hear, kasi dito, my loves, meron kang mga ibang goals pa na dapat harapin. Marami ka pang dapat harapin, manifestations. Huwag mong itutok or i-focus yung energy mo dito sa sadness. Okay? Dito sa kawalan, sa mga nawala. Huwag mo i-focus yung energy mo doon, my loves. And with the Empress card, my loves, I also hear, pwedeng, my loves, meron tayong mga collectives na pwedeng losses of baby. I also hear that. Pero dito merong pregnancy eh. Meron talagang pagbabago, may kinukulminate. Meron ng malapit mag-produce, meron ng malapit maisakatuparan. Kasi my loves, the Empress is also symbolized as the creativity and sabihin natin the result. So, iyon a culmination, my loves. Right now, your manifestations is sabihin natin on the way. Okay? Malapit nang i-deliver. So, kung yan man ay loves, ito malakas, my loves, dito ang energy ng love or friendship, my loves. Pero dito, my loves, spirits are telling you na paparating na siya. Itong mga blessings na sabihin natin ay paparating na sa'yo, yung mga blessings. Pero kumbaga hindi mo yan nakikita dahil nakafocus ka dito sa losses, sa grieving and sa sadness, my loves. Okay, so if ever, my loves, na hindi mo, iniisip mo na parang hindi mo kaya, my loves, make your time busy with your manifestations. Yung ano pa ba ibang wish mo bukod dito sa nawala? Kasi parang iniisip mo, my loves, iyan na lang yung natatangi kong hiling, pero parang naging ganyan pa. I also hear betrayal, my loves. Kung wala pa to, pwedeng spirits are guiding you na in case na maranasan mo to, my loves, huwag kang mag-focus dun sa losses. Mag-focus ka kasi sabihin natin, i-divert mo yung energy mo sa healing dahil napakadaming manifestations, ang dami mong option na pwedeng tuparin kung matututo ka na i-focus yung energy dito. So, blessings are upcoming, my loves. Kasi andyan the Empress card. So, kumbaga, kailangan mo na lang in-nurture yung manifestations, maging consistent ka. Siguro, my loves, kailangan din, sabihin natin, let's say, i-gaslight mo sarili mo na kung hirap na hirap ka kung paano tanggapin itong sadness na to, kung paano mo i-accept, Gaslight mo sarili mo, my loves, na dito, meron pang iba. Okay? Kasi, confirmation, marami pang iba. Ang dami mong option. Kung iniisip mo right now, wala, marami, my loves. And ang nasa sayo to, my loves, nandito to sa strength card kasi spirits are telling you na magpaka-brave ka. Have courage, my loves. So, kung ikaw ay naghahangad ng baby, yes, andyan din, pwedeng pregnancy or upcoming. Be generous of spirits, my loves. Pwede din, eto my loves, I hear na, dito is, wag mong i-focus, pwedeng sa tao to, dahil sa tao, yung sadness and pain mo, pwede nga sa love life, my loves, or sa matalik mong kaibigan, pero, dito my loves, spirits are reminding you, na, hindi ka lang para sa mga taong yan, hindi ka lang para sa taong yan. Be generous of spirits, my loves, marami pang nangangailangan sa'yo. So, huwag mong hayaan na ma-down ka ng maapektuhan ka nitong sadness na to dahil marami pang nangangailangan. So, Spirit has your back. Confirmation, my loves, with the eagle spirits. Okay, my loves, I also hear itong parehas na ating animal totem dito ay parehas independent. So, spirits are telling you kung wala kang nararamdamang support right now, physically, mentally, spiritually, ay napakarami mong support, my loves. 2 times silang lumitaw with the 3 card and with this eagle spirit. So, imagine mo na lang yung eagle mag-isang lumilipad. Diba? Hindi niya kailangan ng katulong para makakatch ng kanyang prey or ng makakain. So, spirits are telling you to be brave. 2 times din, my loves. Maybe ang iyong animal totem is lion, my loves, because nandito sa strength card natin and dito din sa lion spirit. Be brave. So, most of our collectives ay kailangan yung energy na yun right now, at dahil sabihin natin sa losses and pain na to is pinanghihinaan kayo ng loob. Okay, with koala spirit, spirit has a plan. Diba? Lumitaw din, my loves, kasi nga iyan ay part ng yung growth. Iyan ay part ng yung growth and cycle, my loves. So, iyan ay nakaplano talaga. You have to accept that. Merong pang plano sa'yo si spirits, my loves. So, merong cycle. Ang cycle is automatically nag-e-end yan. Pero, my loves, that is a promise. And sabihin natin, part yun ng yung growth. Okay? Spirit has your back. So, palakasin mo, my loves. Have courage. Be brave. So, kung nangihina ka, hindi mo alam kung paano ka lalaban or sabihin natin paano ka magsisimulang maging brave, tingnan mo na lang din yung yung mga animal totem na lumitaw dito, my loves, and masasabi natin na mai-inspired ka sa mga animals na to. Pwedeng ito yung iyong maging mantra or sabihin na nga natin spirit guides for this season na talaga magbibigay sa iyo ng inspiration para bumangon. Okay. So, silipin naman natin yung sa love life mo. Ano bang meron sa yung love life right now? Okay, self-indulgence. My loves, eto nga. Sabihin natin kinakain ng kalungkutan yung spirits mo. Hindi mo na makita yung sarili mo, pwede napapabayaan mo na yun. But spirits are reminding you, pwede ngang about sa love to, my loves. And dito sa love, sa love portion mo, my loves, kasi ipinapalala ni spirits na unahin mo muna sarili mo. You have to spend time to heal. You have to give yourself value and appreciation, my loves. You are undergoing to, sabihin natin, shadow work, or you must have to undergo with shadow work, my loves. So, ibig sabihin self-indulgence, mag-focus ka muna sa sarili mo at huwag dyan sa kawalan. Okay? The dragonfly, light-hearted and adopt, finding out and change things coming to light and heal. My loves, you are broken talaga. Kumbaga, dito talaga nasaktan ka, sugatan ka dito, my loves. Pwedeng sa love life na to. And spirits are reminding you na magkakaroon din ng liwanag ang lahat. Kagaya nga dito, my loves, hindi ka habang araw nandyan. Pwede, my loves, na yung new beginning na to, new love life. Kasi may malaking pagbabago end of the cycle. Pwedeng, kung minawala sa'yo, yung love life na, my loves, that is just part of your karmic cycle na ngayon ay nag-e-end. So, you must consider that as tawag dito, blessings, kasi nag-end na yung cycle. So, ma-excite ko dun sa new beginning, my loves, kasi kailangan mangyari yun. Kailangan mong i-accept yun, my loves. You have to lighten your heart na pagaanin mo yung loob mo. Kasasabi ko lang, di ba? Karmic relationship. So, resentment and triggers perception. So, talagang malakas, malalim, deep talaga yung nagiging cause pag sinabi natin karmic. It is intensity. Okay? Or intense. And you must let it go. So, ang dinudulot lagi niyan ng karmic is turmoil, and masasabi natin more on triggers. So, you must accept this. Pero, sinabi ko na kanina na pwedeng iyan ay karmic cycle na mag-e-end or dapat na talagang mag-end. So, you must consider that as blessings, my loves. Kasi merong malaking pagbabago. Dapat ma-excite ka dun sa bago, okay? So, your overall advice from spirits, my loves, Green Man. All that I desire comes to me easily and effortlessly. I know this to be true, for I am abundant in all that I do. Okay, my loves, I hear na you are destined to be abundant. Kailangan maging mantra mo to, kasi 2 beses lumitaw dito yung puno. Puno symbolizes abundance, my loves, prosperity. Ikaw ay nakatadhana doon. Pwedeng sabihin natin, hindi ka swerte sa kaibigan, hindi ka swerte sa love life, pero pagdating sa prosperity and abundance, doon ka. Kasi dito nga lumitaw yung more on manifestations, tama? Ayan. So, sabihin natin na iyon muna ang pag-focusan mo right now, kasi merong nakatadhanang mas maganda sa'yo. Okay, may nakatadhanang mas maganda sa'yo with this Green Man and this 3. Ang kailangan lang, my loves, is yung energy mo, i-focus mo doon sa mga desire na yun. Ano ba talaga yung desire mo? You have to focus at hindi dyan sa sadness and pain. Pwede, my loves, na matagal mo nang nararamdaman yung sadness and pain na yan. That's why si Spirit ay nagpakita o nagparamdam dito sa reading na to, para ipaalala sa'yo na kailangan mo na talagang i-let go. The inner power. So, lumitaw pa ulit with the kanina dito, with the strength card natin, the inner strength. At lang ngayon, lumitaw ulit yung inner power, my loves. So, kahit sinasabi mo sarili mo na hindi, ito lang ang tanging hiling ko, no, my loves. Part yan ng cycle mo, kailangan mo na talagang i-let go. Let it be known, no will or desire is more powerful than I embodied. So, nasa sayo talaga, my loves. Spirits are encouraging you to be brave, to have inner strength and inner power. Remember that you are meant for abundance, prosperity. Hindi ka man pinalad kung saan ka man, kung ano man yung nawala sa'yo. Pwede, my loves, na papalarin ka dito sa paparating because of the Empress card and the Ring card. Okay, so let's see your soul's action for today. So these are your mantras, my loves, na kailangan mong magkaroon na i-embodied at kailangan mo ipaalala ng paulit-ulit sa iyong sarili, my loves. And this is the soul's action for this energy reading. So your today's soul's action. How do you feel your day? Stress or joy? Trust or anger? So, my loves, with an alignment dito sa self-indulgence, kailangan talaga mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Kasi dito pa lang, my loves, spirits are encouraging you to have time to reflect with yourself, trust or anger, anxiety or peace. We have only today, right now, the journey. No goal, no destination will bring us the feeling we seek. So, but when begin feeling every day with that which we value most, we will attract more of it. This is fulfillment, my loves. So, yung energy mo talaga dito, my loves, ang kailangan mong i-divert from this sadness and pain to your manifestations and desires. Lean into what you want to feel and adjust your life, your values, and your expectations to match your desires. So right now, my loves, what do you want to feel? Nasa sayo. Are you willing to let go of the belief that you have to achieve something to feel it? So, what are the dominant emotions that run my life? Kailangan mo, my loves, na ma-realize na nasa sayo lahat. Kung ano man, kung nakakaranas ka ng pain, because that's your choice. Sabihin natin, hindi mo ginusto ang mga bagay-bagay, pero you have your choice to let it go or to stay in that pain. Kumbaga, sabihin nga natin na hindi mo man ginusto to, sinabi na dito ng Spirit has a plan for you. So, hindi mo man yan ginusto, kailangan yan mangyari because that's part of the cycle, and that cycle is ending for the new beginning to come. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.